They aren't even making this floor plan anymore. We are in Carroll Preserves West today at my latest listing. This home is only 2 years old and it's the Fairfield Premier floor plan, which they're not even making anymore. It's over 2,500 square feet with 3 different living spaces. So let's go check it out. One of the things I love about this floor plan are the 3 unique living spaces. Right inside the entrance here, you see we've got a den / formal living space that you could really customize. And then it flows right into the main open concept kitchen, dining room, living room space here. And then upstairs is where your 3rd living space is. Up here, you have 3 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. So this could be the kids' own oasis here on the 2nd floor. So that's it, guys. An only 2-year-old property gives you all of the benefits of new construction, but gives you the mature yard and landscaping and none of the work and effort that a new construction home can take. So give me a call today to schedule your private showing.